Yeah, this is sacred land of Nara Unateze people in Kano local government area of Enugu state, Nigeria. And this is the chief priest, Mpadibo. He is the chief priest here. He's the one that does all the rituals and sacrifices. You see, you can see how today is they are celebrating their day, their cultural heritage day, where people come and make their prayers, and when their prayers are answered, they come and give thanks, bring something, bring so many things. You see, they are jubilating. It is done annually. This culture is done annually. Nara Unateze God, if you this is very prestigious cultural heritage of Nara Unateze, people of Enugu state in Nigeria. So many people come from all over the world. Their sons and daughters come from all over the world to celebrate the day, their cultural heritage day, in a special way, because it is, look at these different people come with their own yam, tubers of yam, different kinds of fowl and all that, drinks and all that. They're merry, eat together. They bring a lot of things, a lot of food. In fact, they also celebrate yam festival this day too. You see all the things that they want to use to celebrate the special day, their cultural festival day, Iriji na iri anyị Nara Unateze. Here ka na-eme ọkụkọ, ewu, ji na ihe dị. This is the sacred place where people come, the holy temple, the holy land. If all the people come here and pray, make their prayers, and whatever their wish they want in life, they come here and pray, and most times it's granted. But before you come here, you have to be very, very clean. You see the yam. Ebe ka na-edebe ji ndị mmadụ ji ya a ga-eri ya, ndị niile bịara ebe a ga-eri ya, ọ bụla erisa ya, ma ọkụkọ ma mmanya ma ewe jikwa efi abịa. Efi dịkwa ya, efi dị na other side, different parts of this places. This place ka debechagara eme efi ma ọkụkọ ma ewu ma ji a ga-eri ji a niile a ga-eri ya taa. Agọcha anyị Nara Unateze. Ndị mmadụ ebido ribe oriri, ekporo ji a shie, ụmụ nwaanyị shie ya, a na-eri ya, na-enwe anwụrị, na-aṅụ mmanya. Ifugo anaghị edozi ndekwa mmụọ. Nke a bụ omebe abịa na omebe ọkanga Nara Unateze. Ọ na-abịa ịtụba ọmụ n'ebe ha ga-anọ wee gbaa egwu, wee mee nke ha, maka na nkwa dị iche iche, mmụọ dị iche iche ya agba. Nke a bụ ebe omebe abịago ịtụba ọmụ na ọgbọ nke ha. Nke a bụ ọgbọ ndị ọkanga Nara Unateze. Mmọnwụ abịago buru ụzọ fichecha ya, hazicha ya ebe ha ga-anọ, ọkanga Nara Unateze ga-anọ wee mee emume nke ha. Otu a ka esi dị ka abịago kwadobe ha ifugo ya, akwadogo make sure na the masquerade is making sure that where they will perform their cultural group will stay. That is, the place is sacred, the place is pure, and is clean. Is coming to take their position, make a position where their group, cultural group, the ancient Okanga cultural group will be performing. That is where they will be performing. The masquerade has come and taking the place, and going back after a while. They will come. And the Ikoro. This is the Ikoro for the people of Nara Unateze. This Ikoro is for all the people. When they want to do a big event, they come here and beat the Ikoro for the whole community to see. Watch and share this video all over the world. Watch and share.